Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video we are going to share you another great project called Artex, and the website link is artex.app. As you know guys, there have been many scam projects daily come in the market. They come and scam very fast without paying our investment back. But this Artex token is a great trusted platform from a trusted admin. If you buy this token now, it may be profitable to you in the future. But you guys know you have to invest at your own risk only. We are not a financial advisor. Welcome the future of fine arts, world first and only blockchain based art piece exchange platform. We believe in the world where not only the lucky privileged few but everyone can invest in the first class artworks. Blockchain is the safest way to achieve this. Here you can check the YouTube video on how it works, and here you can check why buy Artex token now. Here you can join the social media community if you want to join. Let's have a look on what is Artex. Artex is the world's first and only blockchain-based art investment platform that you can easily trade and manage your fine arts investment anytime. First-class art pieces ensured in line with the transparent pricing of art experts from various countries are tokenized on the blockchain in return for their insurance value. We believe into a world where not only a lucky with and privileged few but everyone can invest in first-class artworks. With the Artex smart contracts, you can buy sell the amount you want from the works listed in the market during the pre-sale process. The Artex market aims to providing liquidity to the stuck at market, supporting art and artist rights with magnificent transparency, a democratic distribution of finance in the art market, a crypto exchange based on a physical and valuable commodity. Here how it works. Artex ecosystem based on blockchain, and we solve issues of current and future. First is artwork listing request. Artists, art galleries and collectors send us their request to have their first class artworks listed on our platform. In addition to work of famous artists who have entered the art history, promising young artists also ask in the list their works on our platform. Second is artwork valuation commission. Work listing requests are evaluated by independent commission. Members of this commission consist of fine art academicians from various universities around the world and leading curators of the world art community. The financial value of this work is determined as a result of evaluations of the commission. Third is tokenization of artworks. The artworks insured over the value determined by the Artifact Valuation Commission and tokenized on the Binance Smart Chain according to its insurance value and becomes ready to be listed on a platform for pre-sale. Fourth is listing artworks on Artex. Qualified artworks for listing are allowed to buy and sell its token in local currency, fiat or cryptocurrencies. The listed works are exhibited at various global organizations each year and offered to major auctions. Thus, investors' rights are always protected in the short, medium and long term. Fifth and the last point is trading on fine arts token. You can buy and sell the token belonging to listed works in the amount you want and easily manage your investment. Our technology allows investors to trade with local currency, example USD, EUR, TRY, and cryptocurrencies like BTC, ETH, and BNB. In addition, investors will also be able to use Artex token to avoid commission and costs that will occur independently of our platform during the conversion of these currencies. Why buy Artex token now? The digital currency of Artex ecosystem is Artex token. Artex token will be used for the function of all privileged functions of the platform and for shopping transactions. Pre-sale below the market price. We will have pre-sales well below the market price. It will be traded at a higher price when listed on minor and major exchanges. A promising future product. Artex is the world's first and only blockchain-based fine arts exchange platform. It is the future of art market and one and only in its field. Low market capital churn. You will be an investor in this project with great potential value early. Artex provides profit margin for people who buy from the pre-sale. Here is the distribution details. Total supply is 100 million Artex. Circulating supply is 23 million Artex. Token offered is 20 million Artex and token distribution is 20 million Artex. Private sale 17 May 10 AM. 5 million RTX at this price. Free sale 25 May 10 am, 10 million RTX at this price. Public sale 1 July 10 am at this 5 million RTX at this price. And major exchange live, buy from Bitmart and buy from Profit you can buy. Here is the tokenomics. RTX token has fixed maximum supply of 100 million in a way that cannot be changed. 50% of the total supply will put in the circulating supply for the first year. The remaining 50% supply will be put into the circulation at predetermined periods within 4 years. RTX platform tokens is 25%, allocation public sale is 20%, research and dev is 15%, exchange listing is 15%, team is 10% and promotion is 15%. You can buy this token easily on the Bitmart exchange. Here you can check the live price here, and here you can buy RTX and sell RTX. You can buy this token on their exchange, RTX exchange also. You can buy this token here and sell this token here. Let's see the BSC scan contract value of this token. Total supply is 100 million RTX. Holders are 2,977. Transfer are 24,247. And here is the contract address, and here is the decimal digit, and our official website is being provided here. If you go down, you can simply find the transactions. Here let's see the token chart of this live token. Here RTX token, here you can check the live price. Total supply is there. Market capital is $5,53,000. PCV2 RTX BNB LP holding 0.12 BNB. PCV2 RTX BNB V2 LP holdings is 2.19 BUSD. You can check this out here, and if you go down you can find the transaction and the chart. So if you like the token, you will get all the links of buying in the description, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.